Um, Hi everyone. This is my Ford 640 tractor. Planning to rebuild the engine. The last video I made, I believe it's not uploaded yet. Since I'm working after like long time, like I think after 2 months on this one. There was a break, winter time break, so I didn't do anything. But however, the reason to rebuild is I'm not getting the engine compression pressure to the standard. So these two middle cylinders doesn't have reasonable compression. When I crank it, it's coming up 30 psi, but these one extreme left and right, or the front and the back, they have the proper compression 120. I think I remember. So today what I did, actually I wanted to find out where the compression is leaking. If this is because of the rings are bad and compression is leaking in the oil chamber, or it's maybe the valves are stuck. I did actually open it, so I'm just this video is to refresh my memory what I did. What I did actually, I thought maybe to find out where the air is leaking is to basically use a method where I can see if something is happening. So if you notice these birthday balloons, there are 3 of them. One is on the oil inlet, engine oil inlet, and one is on 2 on the coolant inlet and outlet. So since you can see my radiator has been removed, so these 2 are, this one and this one are for the radiator in and out. This one is for the oil inlet. You can fill the oil from here, but I thought like maybe if I install another balloon on the carburetor, so I can detect some compression if it's blowing back, I mean coming through out of the carburetor or somewhere. I want to detect it, maybe from the oil dipstick for the engine. It may be leaking, it should pop out. I think this one, if you see this one. So somewhere I want to see where it's leaking before I actually start unassembling the engine. So that was my test, and actually what happened is, if you see this broken balloon, that is coming from the carburetor side. I installed it and I cranked it up a couple times, and it busted. It got teared. So I'm not sure why the pressure came from the carburetor. So anyway, this is one thing. So I put back a brand new one, and I'm gonna see if I can crank and it's gonna happen again. So let's see. Oh, it's going inward. So yeah, that makes sense. If it's sucking it inside, then it makes sense, because it's trying to suck the air during the intake cycle. So that makes sense. Now other than that, I don't see anything has popped, so not sure, maybe something else. But anyway, I am heading to unassemble this engine and rebuild it. So talk to you later.